You can also reuse the same guard to protect multiple components. So for example, both BookFlight and My Bookings component should only be accessible for authorized users inside of our application. Alright, so as I said, we can use it in other components too, and we got another one, which is My Bookings. So go to My Bookings component, right? You should only be able to get to that bookings list of yours when you are authorized. So inside here, we also got that, hey, if we don't have a current user or an email address, right, we will get redirected to register passenger. Let's completely get rid of it. So let's remove it from here. And therefore, we can also remove the router. So we don't need the router anymore. Let's just completely remove it. And then we can for sure remove the reference at the very top. Okay, let's save it like this. Now we go ahead again to app module and secure that route using the auth guard can activate, right? So let me copy from the comma here and go to the left side. And you can see here My Booking, right? Or My Bookings. However, if you go to the right side again, you can simply go ahead and add the can activate. So exactly as we did before, now we secured even that route using the code just one time, right? So if you remember right, we had the code duplicate for BookFlight and My Booking where we said, hey, if we don't have a user, right, navigate him to somewhere else. And now we have this code only one time inside of a guard route or inside of our auth guard right here. And instead of having duplicate code, we simply go ahead and call it here for can activate. So it's also best practice to use it that way, just for not having duplicated code. Great. So now let's run the application. We got that My Bookings link here on top side. So let me click on that. You can see that he now prompts me to log in. So let me do that. jl@dev.com. Let me blur that field. Now we are logged in. Here at our application, go to My Bookings, and you can see that he now directs us or redirects us to register passenger again. So this is because we are not logged in for sure. And then our auth guard says, great, redirect him to register passenger. And once you are logged in, so jl@dev, let me blur that. Great. And now you click again on My Bookings. Again, the auth guard will check, but this time we have a current user and it will return true. So this is why we then can see My Bookings list here. So again, auth guard working fine even on that route.